Oh, a lot of pieces indeed. They look like candy. I see why you were saying I need scissors. This seems like such a shame. Okay. It's for the still. Oh my gosh, fridge. Oh, I should be talking more. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, did you wrap each single one? Because that's incredible. How do people just talk incessantly and entertain people? I must not be a natural entertainer. Oh, this is what I do every night. Cute, 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 cute. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. There's so many. Each one feels like Christmas. Oh, I'm trying to balance opening these fast, but also taking my time to enjoy each one and appreciate the cuteness of each one. This is exciting. This is what all of the stamps and tapes are for. Oh my gosh. So I've included, they're all stamps. I'm very excited. Oh, oh, it's a reader. Oh, it's Black Milk Project. Love this illustrator. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh, I'm excited. What are you gonna be? What are you gonna be? It's a double. Oh my god. This is very appropriate for me. Oh wow. Yes. Yes. Okay, I think this is the last one. Yes, last one. Last one. Oh. I see totally. Oh my god, I'm getting excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Yay. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.